Hey everyone, it's Josh at Kenworth of Richfield, and today we're going to talk about this 2018 T880 6-axle dump truck. This truck sits on a 280-inch wheelbase and houses an MX-13 engine with 455 horsepower. Behind that's an 8LL standard transmission for all of you that like the 3-pedal system. A 410 gear ratio sits in the rear axles, which are held up by a Chalmers suspension. 11R 24.5 tires sit also on the aluminum Alcoa wheels. This truck has an aluminum bed and a tarp with a liner. This truck is ready to go for you to get to work tomorrow. Call us today for more information about this great truck.